guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's on my iPhone. So I just recently got the iPhone XS. That is a mouthful to say, but I'm so excited about it. I got the gold one. I put a case on it because I'm so scared to break this thing, you guys. But it is so different than my old phone. I had the 7 Plus, so it was really big, and I got the smaller one, which I'm super excited about because the other one was just so big. So I'm super excited about this, and I'm going to show you guys what's on my phone because you guys seem to really enjoy these videos, and I think they're super fun to watch and to make. So I'm just going to do a screen recording of my phone and put it over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So my lock screen is just a monogram. I made this on Marley Lily. Absolutely love that app. It's so great if you want to make a custom wallpaper. It's really fun. They have so many different options and everything. So I just have a simple white background with a black monogram on it. I just thought it was so classic looking. It has the little flashlight button on the bottom, and then it also has a camera button, and the camera, you guys, on this is amazing. Hello YouTube, you can see my One Direction poster. It's all good. So super awesome. It has a ton of different like little modes and stuff, which is super cool. Yes, I am like balancing my camera on a shoebox. That is, I just feel like every YouTuber kind of does that, but it's okay. And so you just swipe up to open it up, like so. And my wallpaper on the background of my phone actually matches my computer. I will put a link to it or put it on Pinterest or something because I get so many questions on where my backgrounds are from, but I like to have like a solid color background just because it gets so busy otherwise. And so I just have my phone app up at the top, my calendar, my maps, my weather app. I like to have those because I do use those, but I don't use them the most. Then I have my notes, and I literally write everything down in my notes. I have my clock, and I have my 6 o'clock, my 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock alarm going on. Just depends on what day, like when I need it and stuff. Like today I woke up at 6. It just depends. And then I have my photos app, and you guys, I seriously love this because it organizes your photos a little bit different. So instead of going like down and having all your albums, it goes across like so, and you guys are getting a little snippet of my life right there, but it's all good. I already talked about the camera. The camera on this phone is absolutely amazing. I did a photo shoot earlier today, and the pictures are amazing. I'm so excited to share them with you guys over on Instagram, which my Instagram is just at Kellyprepster, so go check it out. I love being able to connect with all of you guys on there. Then I just have a little folder with all of the extra stuff. So it has the compass, the tips, voice memos, contact, find your friend, like all of the apps that come with your phone. I just didn't really find the need to have them on like my home screen. I do use them, and I have a Bitmoji, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're so cute. You have to see how cute mine is. It's like, it's just so cute. It's seriously just so stinking cute, you guys. Like party time, and yeah, so fun. And then I just have my settings app, the Safari, and my reminders, and I like to use the reminders app as a to-do list. I don't know if I have one as an example. Oh, okay, so Sunday is post a blog, post Instagram, YouTube comments, and I just have, oh my goodness, I'm still not used to that because instead of hitting the home button, since there's no buttons on this phone, you like swipe up, and yeah, your girl is struggling a little bit. But so I have like stuff like that in there. And then I have a little category called money, and this is like my banking accounts and also like shopping. So I have Venmo, US Bank, PayPal, and then I have Shein, Lily Pulitzer, Dote Shopping, and I don't know why this one's in here. It's Overdrive, which is like audiobooks for free on there. I don't know, I guess it just kind of slid into that folder. But I love using these apps, they're really helpful. And then I just have a folder with all of my editing apps. So I have Facetune, VSCO, Afterlight, on Lightroom, Polar, Pixar Loop, and Unfold. To be honest, the last 4 apps I've never used. I just recently downloaded them. And I used to use to plan out my Instagram feed, but I found a new app, you guys, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And it's called Preview. Oh my gosh, you guys are seeing a preview on my feed. Sorry, I'm not going to show you guys any more of that, but it's like but you can upload as many pictures as you want, where the other app you had to like buy the monthly subscription to plan out. So I am actually like 3 weeks ahead on Instagram, and you can like mix them around. It's awesome. If you need to plan out your feed, I recommend that. And then I have my health app. So I have the Under Armour Map My Ride, which is what I use when I go running outside or if I'm riding my bike. I have my daily horoscope. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I read my horoscope every single day. I love this app. I think it's so simple and it's super cute. So I go to Virgo, read my horoscope. I don't really want to explore themes, it's fine. You can heart it, like it, and then you can save your favorite horoscopes and like go back and read them if you want in the favorites. I haven't done that, but you know, super cool. And then I have this app called Zero, and I honestly don't really use this that often, but if you want to do like fasting, it's great because I can say like I want to start fasting right now, and it tells me when I can eat again, which you don't have to follow that to a T. It's just a lifestyle choice, and I have used that before. I liked it, but I kind of fell off of that. Then I just have my Tumblr, which all of my social medias are listed down below if you guys are interested in following me. I have my Pinterest, and you guys, I'm obsessed with Pinterest. I find myself on Pinterest all of the time. It's super fun. I have so many different boards, and I think you guys should definitely go check it out. I just have my Gmail app because I have a lot of emails, especially associated with Kellyprepster, which is super cool. I have Twitter, which is fun. I'm trying to tweet more. I really feel like I get like in the little groove of it, and then I'm not signed in. I just got this phone, and I get in the groove of tweeting, and then I'm like, I don't know what to tweet anymore, and then I just kind of stop tweeting. It's fine. I have my YouTube app, which I love. If you guys have any YouTube creators that you think I should check out that I might not know of, be sure to comment down below because I love finding new people to watch. Then I just have my YouTube Studio app, which is a app for YouTube creators to check your stats, like comment back to you guys, which is awesome. Then I just have my Snapchat, and I seriously love being able to Snapchat you guys. I just love Snapchatting you guys, and like I love using the little heart filter. I think this one's the cutest. And I do Snapchat you guys back. So if you want to Snapchat me, add me on Snapchat. I think my little thing's right there. So go ahead, screenshot, you know, add me. It's so much fun. And I love being able to connect with all of you guys on there. I think it's just so much fun. And then I recently found this app called Hugi. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's Hugi. And it is like a Polaroid camera, so it's kind of like you hold it this way. And my brother makes fun of me because he's like, Kelly, you just got this new phone. It has a great camera, and here you are going with like less quality pictures. So you just tap like the little viewfinder, and you can take a picture like so, and it goes into there, and you click the lab, and it makes it like vintage, which I just think is so cool. I've seen so many like celebrities use this on Instagram and stuff, so I finally figured out the app. I'm obsessed with it. I've been trying to take like at least one picture a day, and it's super fun. And then in my down bar, I just have my messaging app. Then I have Spotify, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Spotify. It's one of my favorite apps of all time. My user is just Kelly 2Ys Tomlinson. And I have a lot of fun playlists I think you guys would definitely want to check out. I have this new playlist called Prepster. And you guys, my new favorite song on this playlist is called, let me find it, Ways to Go by Group Love. It is so stinking good. I'm just obsessed with that song. You know when you find a new favorite song and you listen to it non-stop? That is me currently with that song. I've listened to it on repeat for the past week. Then I also have the MyFitnessPal, which is a calorie counter. I like to count my calories. That's how I like do my diet, I guess. It's not really like a diet, it's my lifestyle, but I use that app. I track everything I eat. And then I have my Instagram, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Instagram. It's so much fun. And my feed is kind of coming along. I switched over to a fall theme, so I had a lot of colorful stuff going on, and now it's more like fall hues and stuff, and I'm so excited. So definitely go check me out on Instagram if you guys want more outfit inspiration. And then on this page I just have like other apps that the phone came with. I probably will end up deleting those. And then I just have my Netflix app, and that is everything. Absolutely love this phone. I'm so excited about it. And my phone case I bought at Best Buy. It is this hard shell case. Honestly, it was super cheap. I went for a cheap one. It was like $14, and you have to get the iPhone 5.8. It took me so long to find a phone case there, you guys, but I absolutely love it. It's super thin and it has a little bit of pink. What's really funny is me and my mom got the exact same gold phone, and then we both got the pink cases because that's all Best Buy had. And it's so funny because we're twinning to the extremes now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any recommendations for fun apps or something that I need to check out, because I'd love to check out new apps and download them, and I think that'd be a lot of fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!